Good afternoon, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker with RJO Futures on November 20th, bringing you some commentary here in the energy markets. Let's get started. Currently, crude prices up just slightly. Remember, we're looking at the January contracts. We're trading around 94.10, up about 21 cents. Brent's a bit firmer. We're up about 93 cents right now, trading around 107.84. Nat gas making a pretty big jump here. We're up about 7 to 8 cents right now. Complex firmer as well. We're up about 2.5 to 3.5 cents there. Taking a look at the markets here today, really kind of a quiet tone. We started off a bit negative this morning, kind of saw a little bit of a sell-off right before EIA data came out. Market started basically rallying back up at that time. So saw a dip down to the low 93s and then kind of turn and swing back up. We're kind of just hovering right now back and forth around the 94 area. S&P quiet so far. Quiet day there. We're pretty much trading in a range there that we've seen set there yesterday. Looking at the the EIA data, this time, normally around this time of year, we do see draws in the crude stockpiles. Traders were looking for a build of about 900,000 barrels, and we got a build, but it was a smaller than expected, coming in right at about 375,000 barrels. So, there was a build, and that's kind of been the overall theme here. We've seen now, 9 weeks now of consecutive builds in the stocks there, putting our total stockpiles right now at around 388.4 million barrels. So, excuse me. So seeing that, stocks just continue to build. Demand, same story there, questionable at best. I think right now, when you look at the market on the technical side of things, we're just kind of basing right now, seeing more consolidation. I think the market short-term technical indicators are still oversold. So I think that market is going to bounce up, maybe see a bounce up to 96. And then I think the market's going to continue to fade here into the rest of the year. So I do have some ideas and some strategies on how to play that. We had some January option ratio spreads. If you have some interest in learning about that or possibly following that trade, give me a call. I can explain it to you, talk to you about the different strike prices, go over the risks and rewards associated with that strategy. But ultimately, I still think crude prices are going to continue to weaken short of a major geopolitical event. There doesn't seem to be too much there on the horizon right now. So we'll just continue to watch the inventory reports. So give me a call, shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to go into more detail with you. And of course, remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. May not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.